So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are looking for JOSA Counseling 2024, so here after watching this video you will not have any type of doubt.
सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं।
Doubt, mark my word, please, once you watch this video, if your doubt will not be clear, then you can comment down and I will provide you free counseling guidance. But mark my word, it is very important video, so please try to watch the video up to the last, then only you will get the complete information, because I have covered all the complete process step by step in the form of all questions. Each and every question I will try to answer you, and you will find at least 30 video on YouTube. Once you watch 30 or 40 video, then you will get this total information, and that I am going to provide you in single video. So here you will get all you need to know, all doubt, all process, fee detail, refund rule, everything what is required for JOSA counseling up to your admission is done. So please try to watch this video up to the last. So first of all, who are eligible? So every student are eligible who have 75% in class 12 in case of general EWS OBC, and in case of SC ST PWD 65% is the rule. And if you have any rank, means 0 percentile or 10 percentile, you can be eligible. That doesn't mean you will get the seat. You will get the seat based on the cutoff itself. For that I have already provided the video. Here I am going to provide you term and condition regarding the counseling process. So how to get the seat? To get the seat, you have to register for the counseling process, do the choice filling, get the allotment. After allotment, pay the fee, upload the document, then do the willingness for the next round if you want. Otherwise you can join the college whatever you have got in first round itself. So this is how you will get the seat. This is a simple statement, that is brief information for all the process, but all process needs detailed discussion. For that I am providing complete counseling guidance. If you want, you can contact me, that is one to one. Whatever I am providing, this is general information that everyone should know, but choice filling, decision making, it is a personal thing. It required one-to-one discussion. That is possible only once you register with my guidance, because I will be connected with you personally one-to-one. It is not like all the students will be there in Zoom meeting and you will not able to ask the question. It is not like concept that every student will get the same concept. It is your career, it is your complete success depends on this counseling process and BTech course. So you have to take the course and college and choice filling very carefully. So hope you get my point. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is the JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bill. So now if you talk about how to apply and fee, there is zero fee for the application of JOSA. Once you get the seat, thereafter they will deduct 2,000 as the JOSA counseling processing fee, but now you don't need to pay anything. So after that, verification will be done. That is there is multiple type of verification: physical verification for PWD student, document online verification for all the student. You need to upload medical certificate, that is medical fitness certificate also it is called in some of the other counseling. You will get the medical format on the screen. I will provide you, and on the website also, that is on JOSA website you can find it. And for physical verification of PWD, I will provide you separate video, that the multiple type of physical verification will be done. One is in IIT, one is in NIT IIIT. Now if you talk about total college, so this year 120 college is there, that is 40 GFTI college. Earlier they used to provide 31 GFTI. Now this year you will get 40 GFTI college. They have added 9 colleges. Soon they will announce the seat matrix. So based on that I will provide you what are the number of seats that has been increased this year. So this is a good news for all the students, that number of college has been increased this year. Now if you talk about how many category, so there are multiple type of categories: general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, and there is PWD. In PWD also there is general, PWD, OBC, SC, ST, that is general PWD, general EWS, PWD, OBC, PWD, SC, PWD, ST, PWD. Now here I would like to inform you, I think I haven't covered that question, so let me inform you, because it is in my mind, because this year they have changed the total number of round will be 5 in JOSA counseling. There will be CSAB counseling after that. Last year they used to do, that is earlier year, I am covering it from 5-6 years. So every year they used to do 6 round of counseling, but this year it is only 5 round of counseling. So you will get IIT in JOSA only. For NIT, triple IT, GFTA, you can go for CSAB counseling. There will be 2 round of counseling in that. A state code of eligibility, in simple words, wherever you have appeared for the class 12 examination, that place a state. Suppose you have appeared in Patna, in that case your Bihar will be your state code of eligibility. If you have appeared in Ranchi, then Jharkhand will be your state code of eligibility. If you have appeared in Bangalore, then Karnataka will be your state code of eligibility. Similarly, wherever you have participated in class 12 examination, no matter from where you are, wherever you have your exam was conducted, that state is your state code of eligibility, and you will get the home state of home state of that state only, that is in that state NITs only you will get the home state cut-off benefits. So hope you get my point. Now if you talk about the most important question, and I can provide you the information, that is I can tell you this type of information no one will provide you on YouTube, that is they will use your CRL rank or category rank, because once you get the allotment then you will find it. Many students will get the seat against their CRL rank even if they are from SC, ST or OBC category, because they will try to provide you best branch or campus whatever available in your choice. But if same branch is available with CRL also and category rank, then they will use CRL rank for their convenience, but you will get the benefit of your category, no need to worry. In that case, it is not like you were getting some seat with CRL rank and they have provided, and you were getting better seat with category rank and they haven't provided. It is not the case. If they try to provide you the best case, and this type of thing will happen only with 10% student, 90% student will get with the category rank itself. But if both the option will provide you same rank, then they will prefer to provide you based on CRL rank. So now if you talk about what about female, so there is female reservation available in all type of college, NIT, triple IT, IIT. In GFA also some of the college provide. Now if you talk about seat conversion, so seat conversion rule will be there in CSAB counseling. In JOSA counseling there is no seat conversion rule available. Whatever seat is reserved for a category, that will be given to that category only. And now if you talk about preparatory rank, SC, ST, PWD student will get preparatory rank if you will not able to clear the cutoff, that is for JEE rank list, then there is separate cutoff for preparatory rank also, so you will get the preparatory rank. Next question is preparatory course. So preparatory course is of 1 year in IIT. They will provide you all the preparatory training, and then once you clear 2 semester will be there. Once you clear it with at least 40%, they will provide you the original course of BTech 4 years. And the preparatory courses seat will be available from the seat whatever available in IIT itself. Suppose there is 20 seat for ST category and only 15 seat has been filled, 5 seat is left, so that 5 seat will be converted to preparatory course, and ST preparatory rank a student will get that seat. Hope you get my point. Now if you talk about seat acceptance fee, so every year they changes. For this year also they may a little bit there will be a little bit change, but earlier year it was around 18,000 for the reserve category or 20,000, and 35,000 to 40,000 for general category. Now if you ask me after getting seat what you need to do, after getting seat you need to provide 3 things. One is fee payment, second is seat willingness, that is whether you want to go for further round or not, whether you want to freeze the seat, whether you want to leave the counseling process, and third is most important, document upload. In that medical certificate is required, fee payment receipt, class 10 12 mark sheet, and a category certificate. These are the information that you need to provide. Once they will approve, your seat will be confirmed, and no need to reach to the college because it will be done online. Now if you talk about meaning of float, slide, freeze, withdraw, many of you may not know these terms, so let me explain each and everything. That's why I told you people will make separate video for this type of question only, but I am providing you all the questions answer in a single video, so kindly watch the video up to the last. So float means you want this seat, but you are looking for more better seat in upcoming round. Once you go for upcoming round and once you get any seat, your earlier seat will be lost, new seat will be there. So that's why I am here to guide you completely, because choice filling in this matter is very important. So whenever you want, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. Once you register, I will be guiding you completely for personalized choice filling, round wise, what are the decisions you should make, whether you should do CSAB counseling or any other counseling like JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, Manipal, whether you should join NIT lower or Manipal CSE or BITSET CSE or COMEDK top colleges. So everything I will be discussing in the next section. You will be able to check the detail of my guidance as well. Here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMET K, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bill. So hope you get my point. Now freeze means you are satisfied with the seat, you want to block the seat and you don't want to move for the further round, you are happy to get the admission in that college. Withdraw means you are not interested in the counseling process and you want to withdraw. You will say, why I will withdraw, I will not do anything, who will do anything. So in case of IIT, if you will not withdraw, you will be not eligible for next year JEE Advanced examination, or you can say you can appear in JEE Advanced, but later for IIT admission you will not be eligible because you have wasted IIT seat. What if I don't pay? If you don't pay after getting the seat, you will be out of counseling process and your seat will be lost. First NIT, then IIT college. This is a very important thing. This thing also no one will provide you on YouTube. That is, suppose in first round you got NIT, in second round you got IIT, because both the choice filling will be in the same choice filling, and many of you have got the JEE rank and JEE mains and JEE advanced both rank. So in case of NIT, once you provide the document, it is approved. In next round, if you get NIT only or triple IT or GFTI, because NIT, triple IT, GFTI combinedly called NIT plus system. If you get NIT plus system seat in next round, no need to provide the document again, or no need to do anything, just willingness submission you need to do, no fee payment required. But once you get IIT in next round, before you got NIT, now you got IIT, so in that case no need to pay fee, but you have to upload the document again. Hope you get my point. Can we change decision? Yes, you will able to change in first round. If you do float, next round you can do freeze or slide also. Slide means you want the same college with better brand. Suppose you got NIT Allahabad with electrical, now you want electronics and communication or CSE, so you will do slide. Now if you talk about if reservation failed, suppose you are from OBC or SC and your SC certificate is not valid after the online document verification, so from next round you will be treated as general student. It is not like they will put you outside of the counseling process, so don't worry for that. And verification in college, after once you get the complete admission, complete counseling done after 6 round, after 5 round, actually this year they are doing only 5 round. I am having in my mind 6 round every time, but kindly correct it, it is 5 round only this year. So verification in the college will be done, that is your document verification. And in case of PWD, before the counseling itself they will do physical verification. Partial admission fee is once you get the seat you have to pay, that is for provisional admission. If I don't pay PF, once you not pay partial admission fee, you will not able to get that seat and your seat will be lost. After JOSA counseling ends, there is 2 type of payment before admission. One is seat acceptance fee, second is partial admission fee. Both are around same, that is 38,000 for general and 18,000 for EWS, SC, ST, OBC. So in that case you have to pay that amount, and all this amount will be deducted from your first year fee. If you don't pay that fee, your seat will be cancelled. And process of refund, once you not pay the fee, that is partial admission fee, earlier seat acceptance fee will be refunded. If you pay that, then also you can ask for refund, but in that case college will decide whether they want to refund or not. JOSA will not do anything. JEE advanced eligibility, means next year if you want to eligible for JEE advanced, then please withdraw from the counseling process if you don't want to take the admission. So this was the complete information. Hope you have got all your questions solved through this video, and this video should be circulated among all the students. So kindly share this video as much as possible, like this video, and if you want to support me, kindly subscribe this channel. And if you want one-to-one guidance, kindly contact me for complete counseling guidance. There is some discount going on. In the description you will able to get the link, WhatsApp number, Instagram, wherever you want you can contact me. Thank you.